Hello Botswana, my name is Tamia Frank and this is my fourth audition in Gemstones, and I hope that you'll continue on voting for me as the votes have been popping out. I love it and I like it, and I want to say thank you to all those people who have supported me until I've come this far. And I have to say this one shout out to my young little brother. He has been my rock, my everything. I want to say thank you to him. Hello ladies and gentlemen, teens and parents. Are you looking for talent? Well, you tune in the right channel. This is Gemstone and I'm your lovely host, TT. And in today's show, we are going to be having gorgeous models, angel singers, action actors, and those cool dancers. So if you're sitting at home so bored, please get up, come and watch Gemstone on BTV every Saturday at 6 p.m. Stay tuned for more eye-peeling entertainment.